This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning off the main supply and opening the tap to bleed pressure. Make sure the basin or bucket catches water. Next, remove the decorative cap and loosen the handle screw so you can extract the handle assembly. Once done, remove any escutcheon or trim with a screwdriver while keeping track of screws. You should now expose the retaining nut or clip. Stop here and confirm you have the correct replacement cartridge and tools before proceeding with the internal extraction. Once the trim is off, remove the retaining clip or unscrew the nut that holds the cartridge. Pull the cartridge straight out. Use a puller if it's stuck. You should now inspect O-rings and seals for nicks, check ceramic discs for chips, and examine the valve seat for pitting. If you see scale, soak the cartridge and seats in vinegar for 30 to 60 minutes and scrub gently with a nylon brush. Replace any damaged O-rings and parts. Lubricate new seals with plumber grease so installation is smooth and sealed. You reinstall the cartridge, aligning any tabs or orientation marks, then replace the retaining clip or nut. Do not over-tighten. Snug to manufacturer spec. Next, refit the handle and trim, turn the main supply on slowly and open the faucet first to purge air. Test cold and then hot, watching for drips or weeping at joints. If you see a persistent leak, recheck O-rings and valve seat for damage, tighten connections a little, and if it still leaks, replace the valve body or contact a licensed plumber for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.